Guys, Miguel here. Quick video. This video is on this Kuafu brush guard for the 3rd gen 4runner. This is a 1997 4runner, and that's what it looks like when the headlight covers are not installed yet. So pretty much installed this yesterday. Not a whole lot of videos on YouTube. It doesn't come with instructions, but it's pretty self-explanatory. If you're gonna go by the pictures on Amazon or anywhere online, it shows that this bracket is on the outside on both sides, and if you do it like that, for at least for my 4runner, it doesn't fit on where the bolt line goes. So pretty much I had to do it on the inside so that it would line up with where the bolts have to go. I really wish they had instructions for this, but it's not really that bad. So in case I wanted to use it like this, I could, but for now I am gonna use it with the headlight guard part on. Just wanted to take a quick video to show you guys what it looks like without it on, which is, it doesn't look that bad. I thought I wasn't going to be able to use my Pia headlights because they would be too small, but it doesn't look that bad at all. And the LP 540 by Pia is going to be way too expensive to even put on this thing, and that's like something that I don't really want to spend money on. But hopefully this video helps in your decision making. It feels pretty well built. It's very heavy. Installation part does take 2 people to hold the bumper up and 1 to bolt the bumper up onto the frame, but that's what that looks like. I will take another video when the installation is complete.